How to make money on CPALEAD tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with CPALEAD and make money. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is you're going to go onto CPALEAD.com. And what this platform basically is that it is a simple way for you to earn money by downloading iOS or Android apps, you're completing a few tasks, filling out surveys, some of the most basic things that you can do to start earning money. Now, to get started, you're just going to click on sign up on the top right over here. And once you click on sign up, this will lead you to the CPA lead sign up form. And you can sign up via your Gmail address or your email as well. So you're just going to fill out all of these questions. I'm going to continue with my Gmail to begin my CPA lead journey. And it's a very simple process. And even with the email sign up, you just have to enter your basic information like your email, first name, last name, and a password and a security question. Now, once you have done that, this is going to be your basic dashboard on CPALEAD. On your left, you're going to have your navigation panel, and on your top right, you're going to have your account settings, your profile, rewards, and payouts. Now, CPALEAD has a very simple payout system. You can click on the payouts over here to see how the payments are issued and how you're going to get your payments in CPALEAD. Now, you can set specific account preferences on how you want your payment systems to be as well, and you just have to verify with them. And it's a very simple process, especially because they have PayPal payments with a 2% fee if the total payment is up to $1. And the 2% fee is for upwards of $20, or if you have a equivalent of $20 in any other foreign currency. And there are no fees for payments exceeding $10,000. So obviously, if you withhold your money in their CPA Lead platform, they're not going to charge you any kind of fees. So to get started with making money on CPA Lead, we're just going to go back onto our homepage, and you can see this is your dashboard where you're going to get all of your different summaries, and then below that you have your statistics, and statistics are obviously later on going to be more useful once you start promoting offers. And then below that you have your content locking. So content locking is more for professionals, where you can add different kinds of content locking drops, because you can add like different content on to this platform to add more mobile targeted campaigns. Below that you have your offer wall, which is going to be what you're going to be exploring basically. Then you have your offer API, postback, and account settings. So to get started, you're just going to click on the offer wall, and you're going to click on manage, and then you can click on create offer wall, and then you can create a specific kind of theme to promote your offers. Now, before you do that, you're going to go back into your dashboard, and what you're just going to do is you're going to scroll down, and now you can see all of the different offers that are available to you. So you can add a specific country, you can add a specific offer type. So if you're going to promote this to mobile customers specifically, like if you have like a mobile application and you want to promote your CPA lead offers on that application, then it's better if you go with mobile application types. Maybe if you want to promote a simple kind of survey or a submission, then you can go with these two and promote them on your blogs, because people reading blogs can easily fill out surveys as well. So for the kind of audience that you have, you're going to target accurately. So let's say if you have a blog, then go for email submits and surveys, and then this will filter out only the email submit and survey offers that are currently available. But we're going to keep this at any type to show you guys what are the considerations you need to keep when you're looking to make money with CPA Lead. Now, after that, you also have your all devices. So let's say you have a iOS application, then you only want to select iOS devices, because obviously if the offer is only valid for iOS users, you want to be able to only promote to iOS users. And then you have your advertisers. This is, irrelevant for people that are just starting out. Don't bother with the advertiser section. But what you're going to do is that you can see over here you have different offers, and you have the device type, the fast pay, and EPC and payout. Now, there are two things you need to keep into consideration: the payout and the EPC. And the EPC is very essential as well. Just because something has a high EPC and has a very, 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 very low EP, just because it has like a high payout and low EPC doesn't mean it's a good offer. So you're looking for anything that has a high payout and high EPC. So you can see Clean Fox, Clean Up Your Mail. It has the highest EPC and payout ratio. That is why it is the #1 offer currently. And what you guys have to do is you're just going to add this like so. Now you can see this is like how it's going to be ranked depending on what you select. So if I select payout, this has the highest payout, but the EPC is super low. So if a low EPC even exists, because the EPC is so low, which basically means the conversion, the amount of people that will actually end up getting this is so low, it's not going to be very useful. So what you're just going to do is you're going to look for a balanced offer, and like so, what I'm going to do is like you have Clean Fox, you have Lemon Crash. So this looks like a good offer, and you can see this offer has used up 2% of its daily cap. So that is like a good indication of the fact that this is a good offer. So you're just going to click on the offer over here, and then you have your affiliate link. Now you can see the payout, the type, the status, and the country of this EPC or this account. And then what you're going to do is you're going to copy your affiliate link, and then you can start promoting this on different platforms to earn money. So there are many different platforms available for you to promote like CPALEAD affiliate links on. I'm just going to show you a few methods to optimize your CPA affiliate links. Now, first off, I would recommend you go on to Linktree, and Linktree is basically a platform where you can add your URL links like this in this kind of format. And I would recommend that you take like some of the top affiliate offers and then you add them like this. And once you generate your Linktree account, you can go onto any platform like Pinterest or Facebook or Twitter, and then you can start promoting over there. Now, you might be wondering, hey, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, like these are outdated. Well, you might think that these are outdated, but these are still some of the most widely used social media platforms out there, and social media advertising for these kinds of affiliate is absolutely fantastic. So I would recommend that you promote on these platforms. So for that, you're just going to click on create pin on Pinterest, and then you can add the title. This is a lemon cash. So what this is that we're going to take a look at the offer, and lemon cash is just the extension. So we're just going to add the best Chrome extension or the best money saving app, making or saving app. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add a few lines about the app, and then you're going to click on add destination link, and then you're going to paste your actual affiliate link. So over here, you're going to paste your affiliate link, and you might be wondering what kind of image am I supposed to add over here? Well, for that, you can go on to canva.com, and then you can generate a simple image, or you can just download this image. We're just going to save the image from CPALEAD. We're just going to download this. And once it has been downloaded, what we're going to do is we're just going to upload this in the pin section, and we're just going to click on publish over here. And now our pin is published. You're going to follow the same method on Facebook. And a great thing is that you can go onto facebook.com, and this is like a money making app. So what you're going to do is you're going to search for money making on Facebook. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go onto the group section on the bottom left over here. And then you can see there are so many different Facebook groups about money making and all that. So you're going to promote this kind of affiliate in that group because that group is already interested in making money. So when they see a post like this where it's about saving money or making money, they will already be interested, and they will be very, very likely to end up being converting customers or purchasing the product or filling out the survey, whatever it might be. So that is one of the most effective ways to promote your affiliate links from CPALEAD. And once you start promoting, you can go onto your statistics section. And over here, you're going to get detailed graphs on what kind of profit you are making. Also, if you go onto your dashboard, you're going to have like a simple overview, but you can also have your lead breakdown. So maybe however you're getting leads, maybe you're going to get more leads from Pinterest, but if you don't get click breakdown, so if you're getting leads, but you're not getting conversions, then that's also going to be an issue. So you can see where you're getting the most amount of conversions from and focus your marketing or your promotions on that platform. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to make money with CPALEAD. If you have any questions regarding this platform and how to use CPALEAD and its affiliate marketing and how to promote it, then leave them in the comment box down below and I will make sure to answer those. And I will catch you guys in the next video.